What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corally Kronos XTR 2022. I installed a Wheelie Bar on it. This Wheelie Bar came from the Dementor. It's the old Wheelie Bar. I just wanted to test it out, see how it's going to work. It's more stronger in the back. Let's get into it. Why is that one wheel? Okay. Oh yeah, I added a bigger pinion. I forgot about that. This is a 16 tooth pinion on here. And she overheated. She overheated on me. I gotta get a fan. That 16 tooth pinion got it overheating. Let me let it cool off real fast and I'll get right back to you. Yeah, she keep overheating on me because of that 16 tooth pinion. I mean, I got a fan on, but you know, this is not a good fan. Let's throw the old pinion back on there and take this 16 tooth out. That's the thing I can say about Team Corally cars. You don't have to do nothing to them. You know, make them sturdier, that's about it. Like the Kronos didn't come with a Wheelie Bar, but I added this so it keeps it, you know, and it's stronger. It's a lot stronger. Yeah, she keeps overheating on me. Got the 16 tooth pinion in there. It's too much for it right now. You know, I ain't got strong enough fans. I need some game changing fans, and then, you know, to make a big difference. The ESC ain't as hot as the motor. Well, no, they both, you know, the ESC got hot too. Put some game changing fans on here, we'd be good to go. But what I didn't like is the front wheels ballooning so much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put it back to factory because I like how I rode on factory. Factory is basically perfect. You know, it's good for speed, it's good for bashing. Put some speed tires on here, you know, street tires on here. Still be good to go. But this is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out. I put some thicker diff fluid in there. I got 500K in the middle, in the center diff, to stop that front wheel from spinning so much. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's definitely working though. shit holding up a lot better. I just gotta. Last time I ran this, it was overheating. Now I had a 16 tooth pinion in there, and I tightened up the center diff. 100K. As always, the Kronos performed great. You know what I mean? I gotta tighten up the steering. I'm having a little delay in the steering. Just gotta fix my servo saver in it. But this is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.